Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 22, marine animals. Marine animals means aquatic animals, means the animals that live in the water. Okay? Marine animals are aquatic animals. They live in rivers, ponds, seas, and oceans. They have special features which make them possible to live in water. Read the descriptions and name the animals of the sea. Students, here we have some description about marine animals. We have to find the name of them with the help of that description. Okay. So first one is an intelligent vocal social sea mammal. Okay, an intelligent vocal social sea mammal. Here, what is the meaning of vocal? Vocal means connected with the voice. So, the name of water animal, marine animal is dolphin. Dolphin is an intelligent vocal social sea mammal. Now the second one, this fish give an electric shock. Electric shock when they are attacked. These fish are deadly hunter. What is the name of this fish? Torpedo fish. Torpedo fish give an electric shock when they are attacked. These fish are deadly hunters. Now the third one is this fish lives in the warm coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. It wraps. Wraps means something as a cover. Its prey in its tentacles. Here the meaning of tentacles is one of the long, thin, soft parts like legs, you can see. Okay, and what is the name of this fish? Eel. Eel lives in the warm coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. It wraps its prey in its tentacles. Okay, now the fourth is bony fish with muscular body that resembles a snake. What is the name of the fish? It is octopus. Okay, octopus is a bony fish with muscular body that resembles a snake. Now the fifth one is a bright colored fish of coral reefs. What is the meaning of coral here? Coral reefs means a ridge of rock in the sea formed by the growth and deposit of coral. Okay, so the name of the fish is angelfish. Angelfish is a bright colored fish of coral reefs. Okay, coral reefs. Now the sixth one is this fish have their mouth at the underside. Okay, this fish have their mouth at the underside with suckers. What is the meaning of suckers here? Means a part of some animals or insect that is used for helping them stick on a surface. Okay, at the tip of their feet. What is the name of this fish? Starfish. Starfish have their mouths at the underside with suckers at the tip of their feet. Now the seventh one is these are the only fish that swim upright. Which fish swim upright? Seahorse. Okay, seahorse swim upright. Okay, now what is written over this corner? The sea sponge. The sea sponge is a living ocean animal. Okay, sea sponge is a living ocean animal. Yet, it has no head, mouth, eyes, bones, lungs, brain, or even a heart. Okay, the sea sponge is a living ocean animal, yet it has no head, mouth, eyes, bones, lungs, brain, or even a heart. Okay, now we move to our next lesson number 23, dance forms of India. Dance forms of India. India witnesses. Here, what is the meaning of witnesses? Means to see something happen and be able to tell other people about it. A diverse and varied culture. Okay, here the meaning of diverse is very different from each other, and the meaning of varied is having many different kinds of things or activities. Okay, so India witnesses a diverse and varied culture. The uniqueness. Here, the uniqueness means the quality of being the only one of its kind. Of dances, India binds. Here, the meaning of binds is to tie, okay, to tie the entire country together. Dances of India reflects its cultural richness. In which state would you be if you enjoy the following dances? Okay, if you want to enjoy the following dances, in which state would you be? Okay, now look here at this picture. In this picture, the dancers are performing Dandiya, and Dandiya is from Gujarat state. Okay, Dandiya is from Gujarat. Now the second one is Nongkrem. Okay, Nongkrem is from Meghalaya. The dancers are performing Nongkrem, and Nongkrem is from Meghalaya. Okay, now the next word is third. Third is Tamasha, and Tamasha is from Maharashtra. Here the dancers are performing Tamasha dance, and it is from Maharashtra. Now look at this picture number 4. Here the dancers are performing Yakshagan dance, and Yakshagan dance is from Karnataka. Now fifth one, here the dancers are performing Nautanki, and Nautanki is from Uttar Pradesh. Now sixth one, in sixth picture, the dancers are performing Damhal. Okay, Damhal, and Damhal is from Jammu and Kashmir. It is from Jammu and Kashmir. Now the next one is seventh. Seventh is Chhau. Okay, and Chhau dance is from Bihar. Here the dancers are performing which dance? Chhau dance, and Chhau dance is from Bihar. Okay, now eighth one. Here in this picture, the dancers are performing Bihu dance, and Bihu dance is from Assam. Okay, look here at this ninth picture. In ninth picture, the students are performing Kargam dance. Okay, the students are performing Kargam dance, and Kargam dance is from the state Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is from the state Tamil Nadu. Kargam dance is from Tamil Nadu. Okay, student, thank you for watching video.